guys, and today we are looking at challenges facing dairy farming in Kenya. Now we have a lot of challenges that do face the dairy farming in Kenya. We have pests and diseases that attack the livestock or the dairy cattle. We have prolonged droughts in some areas like in northern Kenya, areas like Takana, Marsabit, those areas. We also have poor means of transport. The transportation system going to the dairy farming areas is not really good in Kenya. So we talk of poor means of transport. We have expensive milk storage. Now the places where milk is stored is very expensive, or the equipment that I used to store milk, the equipment are just very expensive. The milk imports do reduce the price. Now, when we import the milk, when we import the milk to Kenya, the milk products to Kenya, you find that the price has been reduced. So that is also another challenge that faces the dairy farmers in Kenya. We also have high cost of animal feeds. Buying the animal feed is just expensive here in Kenya. We have mismanagement of dairy cooperatives, yeah? Like creameries here in Kenya. We had Kenya cooperative creameries, like those ones. Dairy farming in Kenya. So those are the challenges that do face the dairy farming in Kenya. So this is the rhyme on dairy farming in Kenya. So this is how we go. Dairy farming Kenya, dairy farming Kenya, challenges, pests and diseases, prolonged drought, poor means of transport, expensive milk storage, milk industry is that price, high cost of annual feed, mismanagement of dairy cooperatives, dairy farming Kenya, pa pa pam pam pam. What a bum bum, what a bum bum.